Alright, so the original owner used self-tapping screws into the steel here with plywood there, but he never sealed anything, so all the wood rotted away, and now most of these are rusted in place, but I'm trying to get them out of the way so we can clean up this wall here.
So is that just, you didn't know better?
I have no idea. I don't know anything about them. The owner that I got it from doesn't know anything about them. It is what it is. And that's what we're doing. Up and down the bus. Up and down the bus.
Okay, my job today while he's doing broken off screw heads is I'm going to try and get as much of this silver down. I worked a little on this, got a lot down. You can see it goes all the way down the bus and there, and we're going to, he tells me we're going to spray insulation here, but that any gaps would cause issues. So I'm going to try and get anything that is just loose, get it down so that we won't have gaps.
Mud dauber nest.
Don't tell me that. Well, you got the corner out. That was the last corner.
Wasn't it? Yeah, I think it was.
So now it's just that piece of wood in the back and that bends around?
Yeah, I gotta start there and go around. And I haven't been able to get there because all the screws are rusted in.
Okay,
So,
but you have the grinder and the screwdriver now.
Yep. I have to do it the old-fashioned way.
Trash? What you have in the hand?
It's got a screw in it. I was trying to get the screw out before I threw it away. That's not gonna happen.
Camera's still on.
Alright. It's just gonna get music anyway.
Yep. And fast forward.
Oh, are we leaving a mess today? And all the wood out of the back. And there's all the wood we took out. Now look at this. Boy, I don't know if you can see it. This used to be plywood, and it's gone. It's just been totally eaten away by the carpenter ants. It just falls off when you touch it. But there we go. There's another day taking the interior out.